Hey developers, Virtusa is hiring for the software developer and software tester role. So start with the basic details. Registration last date is 3rd of October, so apply before it. And here is the two types of CTC. Regular coder get 5 LPA and power coder get 6.5 LPA. So let's talk about both. Start with the eligibility. 65% aggregate across 10th, 12th and degree. So you have 65% or above in all your academics, and BTech in IT, ECE and CSC or related branches like data science, CIML, cybersecurity. So here is the two offers for the four location: Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, and roles offered: software developer, software tester. So here is the interview process. Registration period from 12 September to 3rd of October. Round 1 is about technical assessment plus speech X communication round. Means here you have to do some assignment by speech, and the round 2 is coding assessment, round 3 technical plus communication interview. The interview will be conducted in person at Virtusa office. So you have to give face-to-face interview in Virtusa office. So maybe in this location you have to give interview, and the last round is HR discussion. The assignment details will be shared with the eligible candidate once the registration is over. So here is the software developer assessment overview. These are the aptitude and communication topics, and these are technical skills. So you can read it. Aptitude test will be happened on these topics, and the technical assessment for the coding round. Data structure, operating system, general concepts, SQL, MySQL joins, pseudo code, basic and recursion. OOPS concept, MySQL basic, MySQL subqueries, or and the main core Java. So here is the main language, main programming language is Java. And for the software tester assessment, aptitude and communication topics will be the same, but here is the main change is Python is add-on. So Python and core Java is the technical programming language. Operating system, SQL, MySQL, Selenium, automation, manual testing, ISTQB, OOPS concept, MySQL basic, MySQL subqueries. These are the technical skills required. So regular coder means basic to intermediate coder get 5 LPA, and intermediate to high level coding get 6.5 LPA. So end this video, apply link below in the description. Hit a like button and do comments. Subscribe Skiller for more job updates.